So, Srini, as if wearing the data science and AI leader hat wasn't enough, you're also the head of our software, and one of our leading softwares being Advana. So please tell everyone a little bit more about Advana and what kind of business problems is it solving for our clients, and why is it different than all the other products available right now in the market?
Absolutely. I can't speak about Advana enough. So thanks for asking the question. So Advana is an ingrown product. It's a data engineering and data science solution that Kavi Global developed within itself. So we have been a services company for many years. And over the process of delivering multiple projects to multiple clients, what we discovered was the way we are developing the data engineering solutions and data science solutions is not scalable or not even repeatable for multiple years. So what happens is we develop a data engineering project in one technology. After 5 or 10 years, the technology becomes obsolete. So companies, what they do, they come back to consultants like us to again migrate the same data engineering processes to newer technology. This constant churn of adopting a new technology for the same business challenge or business opportunity is kind of redundant in our opinion. So what we thought, how can we add value to the businesses, right? So we created this Advana. It's essentially a data engineering and data science solution which is not wedded to any underlying technology. So customers develop the business workflows in Advana, and then Advana in turn can execute those data engineering, data science workflows today in one technology, tomorrow in another, and day after tomorrow in the technology number 3. So it's no longer migration projects of 6 months or 1 year. It's just on a click of a button, everything is possible.
Wow, amazing. And congratulations to you, Srini, and the whole team. I know you've received multiple patents in the US and also outside globally. So congratulations. I think there's a total of 6 patents now. And you are indeed correct. This is a multi-million-dollar reoccurring problem. I know especially at GE and other, every migration is a highly costly and from a both cost and time standpoint. So we need to eliminate that.
Yeah, waste. Definitely. And how Advana is different from other solutions, right? You asked that as well. So the other solutions out there don't have this motivation to enable the customers to port over to a new technology sometime in the future. They want the customers to be embedded within their solution for as long as possible. So that's where Advana stands out. So we don't stick to any one underlying technology like A or B or Python or something else as well. Tomorrow, if the customer chooses to move to some other technology, Advana can enable that. So that's where Advana stands out.
Amazing. Many people ask, why would you build a solution that commoditizes your own consulting services, revenue, and business? And I loved when you said it was just the right thing to do, And that's, I think, how you not just deliver, but delight for the clients. So thanks again, Srini, for everything. Very exciting innovations with Advana.
Thank you.